Okay, we're looking at Fatima Michael College of Engineering and Technology in Madurai, and you'll want to remember this TNEA Code 5935. So what's the first thing you should know about this college? Let's jump right into its key credentials.
Right off the bat, here's a big one. The college has an A grade from NAAC. For parents and students, this is a really important stamp of quality, a strong signal from the National Assessment and Accreditation Council.
And that A grade isn't just a letter. It's backed by a solid number, a CGPA of 3.28. This score gives you a precise idea of how they performed during the assessment.
Okay, let's get into the basics. First up, identity and accreditation. Think of this as the college's official report card.
So, what are we looking at here? It's a self-financing engineering college, and it's co-ed. It was founded back in 2009, and being located right in Madurai, it's definitely a major choice for students from all over the southern part of the state.
Now this is absolutely crucial. The college has the green light from AICTE for the 2025-26 academic year. Honestly, this is a non-negotiable. If a college doesn't have this, you just move on. All right, let's go a little deeper. Let's talk about where this college comes from, its founding story, and who it's affiliated with. You know, the college's story actually starts way back in 1993. That's when the St. Michael Educational and Charitable Trust was founded. It was only in 2009 that the college itself was established by the trust, with a clear mission to offer top-notch technical education. And here's another key piece of the puzzle. The college is permanently affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. So what does that mean for you? It means your syllabus, your exams, and ultimately your degree are all governed by the state's #1 technical university. That's a huge plus.
Okay, now for the main event, the part every student is waiting for. What courses can you actually take here? Let's dive into the undergraduate engineering programs. So in total, the college has approval for 300 undergraduate seats for the first year. That's the total intake across all their BE branches. All right, so there are 7 BE programs to choose from. You've got your traditional solid branches: civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, and mechanical. But check this out. They also offer 2 really modern specializations in CSE. One is in cybersecurity and the other is in AI and machine learning. These are not just buzzwords. These are courses that put you right at the front of the line for some of the hottest jobs in the tech world today. Getting in is through the TNEA counseling process, as you'd expect. The seat distribution is pretty standard. 65% of the seats fall under the government quota, and the remaining 35% are for the management quota. So, academics are one thing, but what about life on campus, and more importantly, life after campus? Let's talk about placements, student support, and the facilities available.
Okay, let's talk numbers. According to the data the college provided for TNEA, 80% of eligible students took part in the campus placement process. So, that's the percentage of students who were actively looking for a job through the college.
When it comes to financial support, there are several government scholarships you can apply for if you're eligible. You've got the SC/ST Tuition Fees Scholarship, the BC/MBC Scholarship, the Post-Matric Scholarship for minorities, and of course the very helpful First Graduate Scholarship from the state government.
And for those of you who might be moving to Madurai for college, this is a big question. Yes, the college does have separate hostel facilities, one for boys and one for girls, right on campus.
Getting to and from the college is also covered. They have their own transport system for day scholars. And if you're traveling by train, the main Madurai Junction railway station is about 18 kilometers away, which is pretty convenient.
Just so you know, all the details we've covered today have been gathered from the college's own official website and other trusted government sources as of the time we put this together.
To keep exploring your options, and you definitely should, head over to profsam.com. It's your true source for making those big decisions after your 12th standard.